Ahoy there, mateys. We're going to enter the land of order of operations today. So here's video number one. And a question for you. When you get dressed each morning for school, does the order in which you put on your clothing matter? Why or why not? How is this situation related to the order of operations in mathematics? So yes, except for during COVID right now, it is important, the order in which you put your clothing on in the morning. So here's how it relates to mathematics. You'll want some paper and pencil ready. Okay, so for this first question, add first and then multiply. So we have 3 plus 4 times 2. So do this operation by adding first and then multiplying. All right, so 3 plus 4 is 7 times 2 is 14. All right, now same exact problem, 3 plus 4 times 2, except this time you're going to multiply the 4 times 2 first, and then you're going to add the 3. All right, so when you multiply 4 times 2, that's 8, and 3 plus 8 is 11. Here's the problem. That is the exact same math sentence, 3 plus 4 times 2, and we got two different answers. Not a good thing. All right, moving on. That dot you'll see more frequently instead of the x for multiply, so that is written out as 12 divided by 3 times 2. So first, divide the 12 by 3, and then multiply by the 2. What do you get? All right, so 12 divided by 3 is 4, times 2 is 8. Same exact problem, 12 divided by 3 times 2. This time, however, multiply first, and then divide. So you're going to do 3 times 2 first, and then 12 divided by that answer. So 3 times 2 is 6. 12 divided by 6 is 2. This is an issue. Uh-oh, same problem, two different answers. No bueno. All right, one more of these. Okay, first subtract, then add. So we have 13 minus 4, do that subtraction first, and then add the 6. What do you get? Yeah, 13 minus 4 is 9, plus 6 is 15. Okay, same exact problem. This time, though, add first, then subtract. So you're going to do the 4 plus 6 first, subtract that from 13. So 4 plus 6 is 10. 13 minus 10 is 3. Again, the exact same problem, two different answers. That is why, and this is not good for math. So mathematicians do not like to have different answers. So every problem has one solution. So there was something that mathematicians came up with centuries ago. It's called the order of operations. You may have heard of PEMDAS. Okay, this is taught differently all over the world. In England, they teach BEDMAS. When I taught in Dubai, they also taught BEDMAS or BODMAS or BIDMAS. There's a lot of them. Basically what it stands for, so please excuse my dear Aunt Sally, or PEMDAS, tells you the order that you always must do math problems. Okay, this is always true all the time. So the first thing you will do is perform any operations that are inside parentheses. Okay, in England, they don't have parentheses. They call them brackets, which is why they call this BEDMAS. Okay, the second thing you'll do after all the parentheses are taken care of is you will evaluate numbers with powers or exponents. Okay, so parentheses first, exponents second. The third thing you do is division and multiplication. There is no difference between division and multiplication. Okay, so you don't multiply first, then divide, or divide first and multiply. They are the same operation, so you do them from left to right, just like you would read a sentence. Okay, and then the last thing you do is the adding and subtracting. Okay, and again, addition and subtraction are the same. They're equal weight. Okay, you do them last, and you go left to right, just like you're reading a sentence. So as long as mathematicians always use these same order of operations, we will always agree on the answers. Okay, so these order of operations are crucial. So your job right now is to write some notes down. So get a notebook or a piece of paper or open up a document that you will use frequently and keep track of. These are your first valuable notes to write down. Okay, good luck.